Okay, so this is a room tour of room 5084 on the new Norwegian Pearl. So it's pretty basic room here. Let's show you the bathroom first. You got a pretty cool bathroom. You got your own stall here with a toilet, and then you have the sink area with a big stand-in shower with a sliding door. That is always nice. Is there a light? There's no light in there, but that's okay. You should be able to see it pretty well. I'll show you the bottom here. And the door slides. Looks cool to see it. So there's a bathroom. Then you got your safe, lots of storage. There's my bottled water. Always order bottled water. It's nice to have that in the room. Your closet here. The little fridge there with lots of booze if you want to pay for that. More storage up here, more storage, drawers. Then you got your TV here and another mirror right there if you want to use the mirror. Another mirror there. Your desk area, some drawers there. I'm kind of trying to pan slowly here because the camera seems to be moving slow. Hopefully it doesn't show up like that in the playback. Okay, so here's something interesting about room number 5084. When I booked the cruise on the website, when I picked this room, it said it was an obstructed view, and there's supposed to be something in the way. It was a OceanView, but it said it was obstructed. So when I was booking it, I got a discount. The funny thing is, you know, I came here and threw the curtains open thinking that I was gonna see a dinghy or a skateboat hanging in front of this window, but there is nothing in front of this window. All you see is the Port Miami dock here. So I basically got a sweet deal on what's supposed to be an obstructed view. So if you're picking your rooms, try to pick an obstructed view and see if this one is available, 5084. And as you see, no obstruction, no collusion. That's just a joke, but there is no obstruction. Anyway, that is just a quick tour of the room here. I'm feeling very fortunate. I got this room at a discount. It's basically a full ocean view window, no porthole. That's the big window right there. I'm sailing by myself, so what I usually do, I got this bed centered. I usually will slide, I pull that table out, move the phone over there, and slide the whole bed to the side, make a little extra room. That way I got a good angle here to the TV when I'm laying in bed. Something you can do even if you're in here as a couple. You can slide that bed one direction or the other, and make yourself a little extra room, walk away there. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. I try to always make a video of the rooms I stay in because I like to look online and see what type of the rooms, what the rooms are like on the different ships I go. So again, this is the Norwegian Pearl, and we're sailing out of Miami here. It's December 13th, 2019. So it's a 5-day cruise, a Western Caribbean. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, and I put out all sorts of videos. I have videos of my travels all around the country, cruise stuff, car stuff. I'm a Corvette enthusiast, so I have Corvette videos. Also have all kinds of videos just on different topics, nothing in particular. So please subscribe and like this video, and I'm going to stop talking and enjoy my cruise. Take care, and thanks again for watching.